subtle.
Look who's awake. I needed a moment alone with you.
Do you think that's wise in front of the kids?
I brought you inside so you can see what Las Catrinas does here. It's important. Now you know why I won't tolerate pendejos playing games.
Okay, easy, Guantanamo.
It's Esperanza.
Look, there's bad shit coming our way. Soon. I can help you. And your kids. But first you have to get me into Fizco HQ.
There's nothing there. We checked. It's fully automated. No food or medicine.
I'm not after food or medicine.
Then you got nothing I need. Now stay away from my kids.
Okay, here's how this is gonna go. First I'll run some errands for you, then you'll like me, and then you'll help me.
Not gonna happen.
Trust me. Works every time. Now, if I were a cheerleader, what would I want? Yeah, no. Remember, these are badass assassins. Yes, a sword! Hey, Fort Camp. So, I'm looking for the most badass sword in the Samurai Museum. Can you hook me up?
Well, the best sword in the city is not in the museum.
Really? So is there one last samurai still roaming the city, killing OD, scabs, and the unworthy with the finest sword in the land?
What? No. The best sword in Sunset City is in that swanky high-rise at the north end of downtown. A rich Fizco marketing executive bought it. It was in the news before all the stuff hit the fan.
Well, all right. Guess I'm gonna go give that Fizco exec a swordectomy. Got a Fizco patrol. This guy's a big shot. Probably got a fancy rooftop penthouse style. Whole place is crawling with Fizco, but not for long. You stop talking, I'll stop shooting. That was harder than it looked.
Eliminate all evidence. Data drive action. Commence.
I'm empty.
Empty.
That's all of them. Time to check out that penthouse. Nice digs. Now, where's that sword?
In business, let your great object be victory, not lengthy campaigns. Our campaign was total. Regulators torn through like paper, and now the city pays the price. I must pay for my crimes with business seppuku, so I am retiring upstate, taking nothing with me but my priceless antique Japanese or possibly Chinese sword.
Oh, what the hell?
They can keep those dumb Super Titanium Excellence in Marketing Awards.
Son of a bitch!
Hello?
Hey, Wendy, you're a blacksmith, right? How do you make a sword?
Well, first off, you need some good source metals. Steel is good, or I guess you could make steel from iron. But that's a bitch and a half.
Source metals, huh? Let's see what we got around here. Excellence in marketing. Yeah, more like excellence in ego stroking. But they're nice and heavy. These'll do. I got some super titanium. What's the next step?
You need a forge, an oven that gets really hot.
Heat, huh? What about atomic power?
Atomic power? Do you want to make a sword that will kill other people or yourself?
Hell yeah! A nuclear sword. Oh, can't forget. I can fast travel. Oh, can't forget. I can fast travel. Oh, D! I can't work in these conditions. horseshit trophies melted. Ooh, I bet I can melt these trophies on that steam vent. Time to heat up this forge. I could try to adjust the plant's temperature controls. Or I could just break them and see what happens. Is there any question which option is better? Gotta smash those temperature controls. Die, computer! Hacking is fun when you do it my way. Scratch. No way I can start forging until all the OD are gone. All of them. All right. Now I need a bit of elevation for a proper hammer blow. Yeah. Seriously? 2 wingers? One down, one to go. Guess I'll just jump down and start hammering away. use my chi. This sword is forged. Now what?
Douse it in water to cool it off.
To the water treatment plant! They're after me, lucky sword! Ah, a horde of OD coming my way. How serendipitous. Seriously? I'm crafting here. Just doing my job.
Lance, Bruce, get your asses out there!
Here come the boomers!
Fuck me! What can I do?
Okay, looks like the cleanest water is over there.
Hey, did you douse the sword?
In blood, also in water.
Okay, so next is sharpening, fitting a hilt, maybe even some detailing.
No, it's perfect. I dub thee Excalibune. Take him. Shit, I'm unstoppable. Those Katrinas are gonna love this. And me. To the hospital. Good thing this game has fast travel. I will absorb the souls of 99 physical robots! 99 will die! That old shot means cold! Feast your eyes, Katrinas! I bet you'll help me now. about? You didn't see that, right? Fine. I guess they want me to come inside to collect my accolades. Coming! Hola! Look what I made for you!
What am I supposed to do with that?
Stab some people, make nights, pry food out of the hospital vending machines. It slaps, it chops. So many uses.
No thanks. Now scram.
Wait, look how powerful this thing is. Oh shit, that was an accident. Wow, she hits hard. Oh, I neutered my nuclear sword. Hey, Floyd, I gotta think of some way to impress these girls, make them like me. Got any ideas?
Sword thing didn't work out?
Well, I still have it, so no.
My advice, find a way into their hearts. What do they care about most in the world?
Hell if I know. Beating the shit out of me?